Hi everyone, I'm the face behind KLArtistic and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. My name is Kerry. I am a wife and a mum and I live on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, and I love making art, all types. Let's have a look at some of the things I've already done. If you liked what you saw then, I'd love it if you would comment, subscribe, share, or even press that notification bell down the bottom. That way you'll know when I bring out a new video. Let's get messy together and make art. I hope to see you soon.